Hello friends, in this lecture we will see multi-axis and under multi-axis we have this contour profiling, and this will work similar to just this sequential milling, but I am using this contour profile. And contour profile, I am going to create a tool. So first define a tool. I am using a anvil, and lower radius is, and the float length. Okay, and I want to add the holder, so I'm retrieving the holder from the library, and my holder is medium compression holder. Okay, so first define the workpiece, and my part is this. Okay, and for blank I am using offset of 0.12. Okay, now create operation, and my operation is this contour profile. So this operation work around the wall, so I need some wall. So here we have some wall, and just say this properly, these wall are at an angle. Okay, these are not straight, they are at a certain angle, and my floor is also a curvature, has some curvature. See, okay, I have some curvature on my floor. So how to create this program folder is this, and I'm using this mill1 tool, and this is my geometry. I want to use the finishing operation, and here just increase this tool length. Okay, now part is already defined. Specify the floor. So my floor is this bottom face, and it is not selecting, so go and change to tangent face. It will highlight, and you can select it now. Follow wall bottom, so wall bottom it will follow, and my axis vector is z. I'm using finishing. So see the wall, these are the wall, and this orange color represents the toolpath toolpath preview. Okay, and geometry, it is okay, no need to make any change here, and angle is automatic. Okay, so just generate it, and then we will see. And okay, and I want to see the verification in replay. It is working. Okay, but still it is not that much properly visible. So go to tool axis, trace tool axis, switch on this. It is by default it is off. Now it is on, and if you will play, it's not coming from here. Click OK. For tool path, uh, this trace tool axis is on. Now play this, click here and play. See, this is the tool axis. Okay, so I can show this tool path, this tool axis in any operation. So this is a contour profile, and we can create this tool path. according to the wall as well as the floor. Okay, so it will follow. Okay, and we can see from here. So it is working according to the floor and wall. Okay, rest option are the same. Means if you want to add multiple depth and multiple passes, we can add and we can increase this. Okay, multiple depth we have here, and multiple side passes we can increase from here. Okay, so this is the same.